Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: SIM physical contact, account status, and basic settings. These are why many failures happen. Once done, power off, remove the SIM, inspect for dirt or damage, then reseat it firmly. This restores lost contacts. Next, boot and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds. This forces a fresh network scan. Make sure to note signal bars and network name. They tell you if your handset sees towers and if your operator registration succeeded. Once you've confirmed hardware basics, dig into configuration because incorrect APN or radio mode often blocks data. You change preferred network to LTE or automatic and re-enter carrier APN values exactly. This allows packet routing to resume. Then run a carrier network reset or reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles, and if possible test with a known good SIM to isolate the device versus account problem. While doing this, open diagnostics or dialer codes to capture baseband and log details for deeper analysis. To finish, escalate methodically. If the device still misbehaves, contact your carrier and provide signal readings, APN and baseband logs so they can verify provisioning or push a refresh. Request a SIM swap if needed. If carrier clears the account and the issue persists, backup data and perform a factory reset to eliminate software corruption. Finally, make sure to test in several locations and at different times. This rules out transient tower outages, which is the single most common lingering cause. If it persists, insist on a field technician visit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.